and now we are talking about iterating. So iterating means going through element one by one. So as we deal with a multi-dimensional array in a NumPy, we can do this using a basic for loop of Python. So now you can iterate each and every elements one after another, and you can also put them into a loop and do that operation. So if we iterate on a 1D int array, it will go through each element one by one. So how do I iterate it? You can use a for loop for iterating the element one after another. So for example, we have used a for loop for iterating. So now it is just simple. An example of iteration of a single dimension array using for loop. Okay, so now let me have a single dimension array from the previous example, and it is like a 9 elements are there, and I want to don't want to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a for loop for each in array, then colon, enter, and I want to print each. Now if I say each is every data it will go through, and then it will print one by one. So let's run this code and see that how it works. So see here, it prints 9 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 into 9 times. So this is how it iterates for each data. Understood? Okay, let's go for an example of if you have a data, like say a 2-dimensional iteration, how it works out. Similarly, it works in that way. So let me go and copy even this 3-dimensional array. I'll just copy this. Let me comment this, and I will copy this array, and the same way I will copy this code. Okay, what happened? Let's see that. Okay, now if I print this, what happened? See here. So it iterates for each into that particular array. So now this is the dimension of each array. So if you want to go each and every array, then there are 3 arrays, so you can go through that. So like say if I say for next, say if I say x in each, okay, then I can yeah, I think I have only 3. So the first each, and then it goes into the x, and then if I have another, maybe, so I went the wrong size.